I ain't recording none of my shit, man.
Turn your phone to the side so it can be widescreen.
Yeah. What? Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, shit. You know I ain't used to doing no shit. That shit right there, nice, too. Huh? Fuck them lights. He ain't got what the music at? Yeah, they got shit over here. The old model tires look good too.
That GMC right there look
That bitch, that white truck look good.
So that one right here in front of
That shit look good, but that white one over there though with that lift on it. But that pollen and shit coming though.
Boy, look at that.
Look at them, they want to get on video. Who that right there? Oh, it's them, Buddy, what band?
Over there, looking at
They want to look at that truck. Hey, I like that Jeep right here too. That bitch sitting right. That bitch sitting right now. Oh. Ah, damn, boy, they know not to move. Look at some truck or something. Look at that bike. That bitch look like that. Oh, I see. Hey! Damn, look at this bitch, boy. I like this bitch too.
That shit put the game to another level, don't it?
That shit look. Bitch like a Lamborghini opening. Huh?
Is a lawnmower over there?
That truck with the doors up? Yeah. That's what I was talking about. What the fuck? I know they ain't got no lawnmower out here.
They sold it.
They did. They even got the damn lawnmower squatted. What I'm gonna do with that? That look like an ice cream bike. Yeah, I ain't fucking with that. Yeah, this bitch right here nice too. That bitch right, I like this bitch clean right here. Look good. That truck ain't out here, it's fucked up. That Toyota over there goddamn shitting on him.
Oh, look at the full print.
Yes, sir. Oh, Patrick. Oh, Patrick. That bitch hard, boy. bitch too. That bitch look good as hell. Sure do. Ain't no damn puppy. That's a good dog. Ain't no damn puppy. Get it, Keena.
What?
That dog.
Okay.
Get that dog.
You're so funny.
They scared of like, look, it's like the
He's friend.
He friendly.
Who? Damn.
And that motherfucker.
Mommy, come here.
What Vito at?
Okay, look at they mask. Where? Oh, yeah, the masquerade.
Yeah, this bitch right here nice, boy. Look at the damn gold on that. It's a girl car. Don't touch it.
like this. I'm grabbing You ain't going nowhere. Y'all made it.
Yes, sir.